Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Asian marinated pork chops. Alright, we're going to start with the marinade. In a large bowl I have a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to add in a teaspoon and a half of sesame seed oil. And with this stuff here, a little bit goes a long way, so we want to be careful. Now I'm going to add in a quarter of a cup of low sodium soy sauce and a quarter of a cup of orange juice. Shake that up good. And I had to keep this hid in the fridge so my kids wouldn't drink it all up until I made the video. Alright, get this open. Quarter of a cup of orange juice. Alright, I'm going to add in a quarter of a cup of powdered sugar, or brown sugar, not powdered. And I'm going to eyeball this. That looks about right. I'm going to add in a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder and a teaspoon of ground ginger. Mix that all together. Ideally you would let your pork chops marinate overnight, but I don't have time for that. So I have a vacuum tumbler sealer here. I have some center cut pork chops here, boneless. I'm going to get them into the sealer. And this here is going to help speed things up for us. Alright, and I'm going to get that marinade in there that we just put together. Get all that brown sugar scraped off the bottom of the bowl. Get my lid put on here. Alright, I'm going to make sure we're set on the seal setting. I'm going to hook up my hose. And if you're interested in one of these vacuum sealers, I got this on Amazon. I think I paid $30 for it at the time. It might be $40 now, but they really work nice. Now I'm going to turn this on. And it's going to vacuum seal those pork chops in that canister. Alright, now that that's vacuum sealed, and that took probably about 3 minutes, I'm going to turn my valve over here to the locking position and take off my hose. That's going to keep that vacuum seal on there. And I'm going to put my cord back down in here. And I'm going to give this a shake. And that's under a vacuum seal in there, guys. I'm going to lay this on the tumbler. I'll bring this over here so you can see a little bit. And I'm going to press my start button. And it says 15 minutes for meat. And it's at 15 minutes. That's going to be equal to that marinating in the fridge overnight. So I'll let that do its thing there for 15 minutes under a seal till we're ready to grill those chops up. Alright, my pork chops are done marinating. I'm doing them on my Ninja Foodie grill, and that's hot. Now listen to this as I release the vacuum from this. This thing here is worth its weight in gold. It's really nice. That simulated 24 hours of marinating in 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take my lid off of here. And we're going to get these pork chops on the grill. And I'm going to do these for 4 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll turn them over. Alright, my pork chops are done. I'm going to take them out and let them sit for a minute to rest. And then we'll go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some sweet and sour rice to go with this. Let me get in here and try a piece of this chop. See, the chops are cooked through. Chops are tender. They picked up that good marinade flavor throughout from the being in the vacuum sealer. Guys, those are really delicious and they weren't hard at all. Asian marinated pork chops. Thanks for watching and subscribing. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.